Good morning. How y'all doing out there? How's it going? This video gonna be about DoorDash, Grubhub, and all them services that people work for, and how if you don't have a tax write-off for it, they can get you later. I had a real interesting conversation with one of the drivers, and I was told that didn't know that, it's like the old taxes for babysitters. So like after $600, the government, the feds, the mafia, however you want to call them, they want their money. And there was no deduction from the Grubhub, the DoorDash, etc. Those drivers, they didn't have a place where, the tax papers where it's like, okay, the money's deducted. Instead, you're just going lonely taking the cash, and then you're doing your deal with what you have. However, there's no tax preparator to say, hey, pay your quarterlies or offset this. So I was told, person told me that when in the year happens, you end up owing them, Uncle Sam. And this was said on multiple situations. So I found this very interesting. So, the DoorDash, Grubhub, and them don't either like make their people that work for the company take the money out of their pay, or that they don't have a situation where they go find a tax preparator and get quarterlies deducted. So it can be in for a rude awakening. So basically, it's the old babysitter rule. You stop at $5.99 because if you go over $6, they're gonna definitely come to get you. And that is real interesting to hear that a service that is considered so vital, what have you, is not taking responsibility to make sure that there are people that work for said companies aren't going to get hustled and get taxed beyond their means. And I don't know if everybody else has heard those kind of stories, but please share them with me if you've experienced it, if you're a DoorDash driver, Grubhub driver, etc. And what your experience has been like when it comes tax time, about your deductibles, and also how it all plays out. But anyway, I thought it was a real interesting conversation, to say the least, that hey, if you don't have those things deducted, they can get you at the end of the year. But please feel free to give me your thoughts and comments on it. I welcome thoughts and takes. Please hit the subscribe, wash your hands, keep your mind clear, watch out for another, and no matter what you're doing, pandemic or not, Uncle Sam's gonna always want to get that money. All right, I'm out.